runners. In this video, we journey north back to the United States and tour some major cities in California, LA, San Francisco, and Oakland, and take a boat cruise to Alcatraz. Yeah, we stay right there. Drop off. Got it. What's that? Okay. Maybe so. Just pops in my head.
They put an IV in her, and for 2 seconds, the doctor knew.
Okay, this is the city we got the thing from, huh?
They're saying it's starting today. Everybody has gathered in this big.
This is where we stand tonight as we head back. This is Kimberly. Back on motor. Welcome to Baja California. Dishes. I think that was Baja California. Oh, this is beautiful. So I just met a co-worker here. I had empanadas for the first time. They were really good. We just sat out on the balcony and had like a little snack. Caught up for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And somebody was watching me record, so I got it inside the van. I got inside the van. We are now going to head as far as north as possible. See if we can make it to Oakland, where we were 5 hours away, but I'm in Long Beach now, so I gotta see how much time I added. Hey guys, look how much.
Isn't the punishment?
Y'all, I'm obsessed with Dave's hot chicken. Ever since I had it in Arizona, I just got me a loaded fry. This is a large loaded fry. It's different than all the other places. Oh my God. I forgot to order it without coleslaw. Dang it. And pickles. Amtrak, California. Look at that beauty. All right, so we're in Oakland. I worked for the day in office, but I had to keep leaving and moving my van every 2 hours because it wouldn't fit in the parking garage. So I had to pay like $15 for parking today to park in what I believe is downtown Oakland. This is so beautiful. There's a little trailway right there. People's been walking. It's probably quite beautiful. We saw the Amtrak train. The weather feels amazing. I thought it was gonna be like extremely cold as I headed north. Yes, it's been cold during the early mornings, but the evenings and like middays are beautiful.
Color the little pop into the park here. They have an area where kids can
Go past this light, then at the next one.
Riding through Chinatown.
The next stop is on your left. The Chinatown, Oakland, arrived.
Of indie shops,
Look,
eateries, and art
Oakland
spaces.
Box Theater.
Visitors can shop for unique local goods, enjoy art streets. Visitors can browse through unique boutiques.
California.
I promise you, whatever you want, I'll bring it right in front of you.
Beautiful. Riding the Pacific Coast.
The Aurora competition is the most prestigious jewelry contest in the world. This year,
Oh, that's cute. Are we finna get on the Golden Gate Bridge?
That's the Huggies Skin Essentials wipe.
Wow.
Right on time. What you want to do throughout the night. Everything else has to be bought out there on the boat. In prison, and what they wanted to do was make what many people would have, which is most of the prisoners that came to Alcatraz 29 years, at which point they determined as
A cell door demonstration, open house area.
I know I haven't talked much throughout this video, but here is the machine that I'm using to tour. It's talking in our ears, telling the prisoner stories and more about the prison. And it's starting to get dark, so some of the spaces to explore are a little eerie, but very insightful. I enjoyed this adventure.